In the bustling city of Kingston, Jamaica, Giftalore and Edimon, two brilliant 20-year-olds, had dedicated their lives to unraveling the mysteries of quantum physics. Giftalore, with his quick wit and passion for innovation, was the engineer. Edimon, the theoretical genius, loved pondering the universe's deepest secrets. Their work partner, Moishalid, a sharp and resourceful 20-year-old woman, specialized in quantum algorithms and had a knack for seeing patterns others missed. One sweltering afternoon, their team at the Caribbean Quantum Research Lab received an unusual signal from a distant, uncharted part of space. It was a pattern, repeating, rhythmic, almost like a message. They quickly realized it wasn't just noise, it was a code. Moishalid, analyzing the data, suggested it could be a form of communication from an unknown civilization. Excited but cautious, Giftalore proposed they try a daring experiment: create a quantum device capable of sending a response through the same cosmic channel. Edimon and Moishalid worked tirelessly, combining their expertise. Giftalore crafted a compact, powerful transmitter, Edimon fine-tuned the quantum algorithms to encode their message, and Moishalid ensured the system could adapt to the unpredictable nature of space-time. As night fell, under the glow of the Caribbean stars, they activated their device. The room hummed with energy, and suddenly, the monitor flickered. A new pattern appeared, a sequence of pulses that resembled a greeting. They had done it, they'd made contact. But then, the unexpected happened. The signal intensified, and the entire lab shimmered with a strange energy. The space around them warped, and suddenly, Giftalore, Edimon, and Moishalid found themselves standing in a different world, a vibrant, alien landscape filled with shimmering flora and floating islands. Standing before them was a luminous being, radiating warmth and curiosity. The being spoke telepathically. "Welcome, travelers. You have bridged the gap between worlds." Giftalore, Edimon, and Moishalid exchanged amazed glances. Their daring experiment had opened a door to the cosmos, and perhaps to a new chapter of discovery for all humanity. As they prepared to communicate further, they knew their journey was just beginning. Jamaica's vibrant spirit, combined with their ingenuity, had propelled them into the stars, proof that even at 20, true explorers could change the universe.